The restroom, the toilet, the WC, the can, whatever you call it, nobody likes one that's dirty. Not your staff, not your tenants, definitely not your customers. Whether it's the washroom in your restaurant, a gym or other common area in your apartment building, or a break room in your office, Microshare's EverSmart Clean provides a data-driven solution that alerts responsible staff about emerging problems to improve customer satisfaction and prevent small issues from becoming disasters. Customer loyalty takes a big hit if your restroom or other common areas are a mess. Employees say the condition of workplace restrooms reflect the value their employers place on them. Quick to deploy and easy to use, EverSmart Clean addresses all of these concerns with occupancy sensors and feedback monitors to track usage and customer sentiment, report and log issues, and a mobile app to empower staff to respond quickly. Microshare's EverSmart Clean was developed and battle-tested with global leaders in the retail, facilities management, education, corporate, real estate, and manufacturing sectors. Along with our other EverSmart solutions, EverSmart Clean creates data for the new normal. Join us as we transform the efficiency, safety, and sustainability of indoor spaces. Be that leader. Be EverSmart.